Hey Joakim, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool base model right here, and basically what this is a hair drying towel that's actually put on your hair. So this is made mainly for people who have like really long hair. So you guys actually just wrap this on your hair to actually dry much faster. So you can see the one that we got right here from the brand called AmazerBath right here. And this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so you guys first open it up. You guys can see there's 3 of them inside right there. Let's take all of them out. Alright, so when we take all 3 of them out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. Let me open up each one to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so here is the first one right here. If you guys can see, the actual product looks pretty nice and it feels like a high quality material. They do have this little option right here where you guys can actually hang like this to tie it in place, which I'll show you guys in a second. But this is basically what the first one looks like here. Here is the next one. So the first one is like a purple color and this is kind of like a grayish color. And then for the last one that we have right here is kind of like a light blue color, which is pretty nice. And when you guys feel the material for all 3 of these drying towels, it feels really nice. It definitely feels like a really soft fabric that they use on here. And they mention how the product is skin friendly and it's super absorbent. So when you put this on your head to absorb all the liquid, it definitely should work really well. And obviously if it's your first time using the product, you definitely want to wash it first to make sure it's clean before you guys put it onto your head. But this is basically what the product looks like on the outside. And then here's what it looks like in the inside. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty nice and feels pretty nice as well. So for this product, they mentioned that there's 2 different ways to wear it. One is to have the button in the front and the other one is to have the button in the back. Let me actually do a quick test to show you guys how to use it and what it actually looks like first. So what you guys want to do is go like this and you just want to twist the towel. And then once you're done, you just want to lock it back in place onto where the button is. Alright, so once you guys lock it in, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So for those of you guys who have like really long hair, you guys can see how it has a good coverage where it covers up your ear and it actually will cover all your hair as well. So when you guys actually put the actual product on, you want to make sure you guys push all your hair inside first to lock it in and keep all your hair inside right here. So for me, it's much easier because I have really short hair. But if you guys have really long hair, you definitely make sure you guys do that first. But this is basically what it actually looks like when you guys actually apply it. So the other way would be you guys actually just turn this around to the other side. So just like this. Alright, so you can see that when we actually turn it around, this is basically what it looks like. So the button is in the front now, if you can see. So this is another way to actually put it on if you guys want to. So if you guys want to be more tight, I suggest doing the other way because that way actually works a lot better than this way. If you can see, my hairs are hanging out. But definitely the moment I actually put this on, it definitely feels pretty nice. I definitely love that soft material or soft feeling when you guys actually put this on. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys put it on. If you can see, very easy to use. Let me actually put on the other 2 as well and show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so next one we have right here is the purple one. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like for the purple one right here. Let me put on the last color and show you guys what that looks like as well. Alright, so here's the last one. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like for the last one that we have right here. So for all 3, this color actually looks pretty nice and feels really nice as well. And it definitely has that like premium feeling and premium look to it as well. But now that we're unboxing and testing our product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys don't want to use like the same towel to actually dry up your hair and it won't stay up to actually hold up your hair. They definitely want to get something like this, so it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to wash your hair and dry your hair every single time. Eventually, it actually holds up really nicely, which is pretty cool. Way better than you guys using like a towel. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.